Good morning. The third part with reference to that ICAR institutes is continued. ICAR, Central Tuber Crop Research Institute, in short called it as CTCRI, placed at Thiruvananthapuram. This is the only research organization in the world dedicatedly working on the tropical tuber crops. So the institute was established in 1963, that placed at Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So this is the only institute working on tropical tuber crops in the world level. ICAR Research Complex for Eastern Region, that is RCER, placed at Patna, previously known as Directorate of Water Management Research, TWMR. It came into existence in 2001 after merging up that TWMR Patna with the Central Horticultural Experimentation Station, Ranchi, and Central Tobacco Research Station, Pusa, Samastipur. The National Research Center on Makana Tarbang was also brought under the administrative and financial control of that RCER during December 2003. In the institute, I have 5 research programs like Land, Water, Environment, Engineering Research Program placed at Patna, Crop Research Program, so that is placed at Pusa, then Horticulture and Agroforestry Research Program, Ranchi, then Livestock and Fishery Improvement and Management Program that placed in Patna, Socio-Economic and Extension Research Program, that is Patna. So all the 5 research programs comes under the control of that Research Complex for Eastern Region, that is RCER, placed at Patna. Then another one, ICAR Research Complex for NEH region, that is placed at Parbhani. ICAR Central Coastal Agricultural Research Institutes, placed at Goa. Actually, this particular thing is formed as a research complex for Goa during the year 1976 April as a regional center under the ICAR Research Complex of Northeast Hill Region, Shillong, Meghalaya. Then subsequently it became a regional center, ICAR Research Complex for Goa under CPCRA, Kasaragod. And then considering the importance of that agriculture in Goa state, ICAR upgraded the center into an independent institute from April 1989. Subsequently, this particular institute was upgraded as a Central Coastal Agricultural Research Institute from 1st April 2014 onwards. So Central Coastal Agricultural Research Institute placed at Goa. ICAR Indian Agricultural Statistics Research Institute, IASRA, placed at New Delhi. So this is started the year 1930 as a small statistical section of the Imperial Council of Agriculture Research. Then IASRA has been the mainly responsible for conducting research in agricultural statistics and informatics to bridge the gap in the existing knowledge, and they are playing a main role with reference to providing education and training in agricultural statistics and informatics to develop trained human resources in the country. So IASRA placed at New Delhi. Indian Grassland and Fodder Research Institute, IGFRA, Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh, established in 1962. It's instrumental in fostering the research, training, extension program in all aspects of the forage production and utilization. It has 3 regional center stations and that catered to forage related location specific R&D needs of humid tropics, that is placed at Dharwad, semi-arid and arid, that is placed at Aviganagar, for temperate related things, that is Srinagar, Palampur. Indian Institute of Agricultural Biotechnology, IIAP, placed at Ranchi, Jharkhand. So this is actually deemed to be a university. For construction of these IIAP, the foundation stone was laid by the Honorable Agriculture Minister on August 25th, 2014 at Ranchi. At present, this institute is functioning in the Process and Demonstration Unit campus of ICAR IINRG located at Namkum, Ranchi. ICAR, Indian Institute of Horticultural Research, that is IIHR, placed at Bangalore. It has a main research station at Kasaragata, Bangalore, with 263 hectares of land. Regional experimental station at Bhubaneswar in Orissa and Chetali in Karnataka. Apart from that, this also have 2 KVKs. Both KVKs are located within that Karnataka, like Konikabal in Kodagu and Hairhali in Dumkur district. Apart from that, that project coordinating cell of the ICRIP on tropical fruit also placed in the IIHR Bangalore. So IIHR is placed at Bangalore. Indian Institute of Natural Resins and Gums, IINRG, placed at Ranchi. So Indian Institute of Natural Resin and Gums, formerly known as Indian Lac Research Institute, that is ILRI. IINRG is a nodal institute at national level for doing research and development on all aspects of lac and other natural gums and resins, excluding protection. So ICAR took over this ILRI institute from April 1, 1966 onwards. This is one of the oldest institute within the ICAR, almost completed 84 years of services. And the institute mandate also expanded the year 2007 to look after the important issues related to all natural resins and gums of Indian origin. So accordingly, ILRI has been renamed as Indian Institute of Natural Resins and Gums since September 20, 2007 onwards. So that Indian Institute of Natural Resins and Gums placed at Ranchi. Indian Institute of Pulses Research, IIPR, placed at Kanpur. So initially this institute started as a All India Coordinated Pulse Improvement Project on 1966, and this project is also placed at IR in New Delhi. Then 1978, the project, ICRIP project, was upgraded as a Project Directorate on Pulses, and the program also shifted from New Delhi to regional station of IARA at Kanpur. Then 1984, this institute project directorate, that PD, was promoted as a Directorate of Pulses Research under the director control of ICAR. Then 1993, that TPR, Directorate of Pulses Research, was elevated as a Indian Institute of Pulses Research, and 3 All India Coordinated Research Project on chickpea, pigeon bee and mullar. Mullar means MU for mung bean, U for ad bean, L for lentil, another L for lathyrus, that is LA, and R for rajma, and P for pea. So mullar. So all the 3 ICRIP projects are functioning under IIPR Kanpur. Indian Institute of Soil Science, that is ICAR IISS, placed at Bhopal. So established on 16th April 1988 with a mandate to enhancing soil productivity with minimum environmental degradations. It gives a main and priority for soil health related issues faced by the farmers and other stakeholders. So Indian Institute of Soil Science IISS, placed at Bhopal. Then Indian Institute of Spices Research IISR, placed at Kozhikode in Kerala. So actually this is started as a All India Coordinated Spices and Cashew Improvement Project at the Central Plantation Crop Research Institute at Kasaragod, Kerala during 1971 by ICAR. Later ICAR established a regional station of CPCRA at Kozhikode, Kerala during 1975 exclusively for conducting research on spices. Then regional station was upgraded as a National Research Center for Spices in 1986 by merging with the Cardamom Research Center of CPCRA, that is there in Abangala and Karnataka, as it's a regional station. The NRCS was further elevated to the present Indian Institute of Spices Research during 1995 onwards. Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research, that is IISR, Lucknow, established in the year 1952 by the erstwhile Indian Central Sugarcane Committee for conducting research on fundamentals and applied aspects of sugarcane culture, as well as to coordinate the research work done on this crop in different states of the country. These IASR, from the Indian Central Sugarcane Committee, the institute was taken over by the Government of India on 1st January 1954. Then on April 1, 1966, it was transferred to the ICR New Delhi along with Central Agriculture Research Institute. Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, IIVR, Varanasi. Actually, this institute established as a All India Coordinator Research Project on Vegetable Crops in the year 1971 at IARA New Delhi. That All India Coordinator Research Project on Vegetable Crops was elevated to the Project Directorate of Vegetable Research, PDVR, in 1986. Then PDVR is shifted to Varanasi in 1992. Then 1999, this thing was promoted as a Indian Institute of Vegetable Research and also placed at Varanasi. Now that All India Coordinated Research Project on Vegetable Crops also placed under IIVR control. So Indian Institute of Vegetable Research located at Varanasi. ICAR, National Academy of Agricultural Research Management, NAM, placed at Hyderabad, established in 1976 at Hyderabad. The major mandate of the institute is to build capacity in agriculture research, education, extension education systems, and also provide policy advocacy for the national agricultural research and education systems. So NAM, that is placed at Hyderabad, established during 1976. So these are all the things with reference to that some of the ICAR institutes. So the remaining institutes I will try to provide you in the fourth segment. Thank you very much.